Okay, so you bought a guitar and you don't know how to play it, so I'm going to show you how to play your first chord, right? What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use a pick to just strum the guitar in every beat. I'm just going to do 4 beats, so I'm going to be strumming 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the rhythm that we're going to be following. As simple as that. You're going to have your pick, you're just going to strum down the strings 4 times, right? Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go and we're going to try to build our first chord. I'm going to use finger number 2 and finger number 3. I'm just going to place them together. And I'm going to place my thumb in the back, and I'm going to place that position that you just created on string number 5 and string number 4. Everything else stays open, right? Let's go again. I'm going to put finger number 2 and 3 together, and then I'm going to place those 2 fingers in fret number 2 in string number 5, fret number 2, string number 4, and that's called an E minor, right? So let's see how that sounds. That's E minor for you. So if you're hearing buzzing sounds, it might be that this finger here is maybe touching maybe one of the strings. So make sure those 2 fingers are out of the way, because if not, you're going to be hearing that buzzing sound. And don't do too much pressure. So as you're playing the chord, the important thing here is to make sure that the string is touching the fret. So you don't have to do a lot of pressure to be able to achieve that. All you have to do is making sure that the string touches the fret, string touches the fret. And if you're a little bit closer to the fret, that's going to help out a little bit. Okay, so let's try that again. We're going to place these 2 fingers together. We're going to go to string number 5 and 4, fret number 2, 5 and 4, fret number 2. Now we have the E minor. We're making sure that finger number 1 and finger number 4 is not touching anything, and our thumb is in the back, right in the center part of it. And now we're just going to use the rhythm that we learned. We're going to strum 4 times going down, and that's going to give us a nice clean E minor. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You just learned your first chord, E minor.